Hi, I'm Jeanette White for ExpertVillage and Piper's Quilts and Comforts located in Salt Lake City and Sugar House. And today we're making a basic 16 patch. I've already pieced my two pairs together, and now I've brought them together in a center seam. I want to talk about proper pressing because it is so important. We first of all are going to press the seam allowance toward the dark. In quilting, we don't press seams open, we press them together. The reason we do that is strength. So I'm first giving this a press just this way because it sets the stitching into the fabric and it smooths everything out. Now I'm going to be pressing the seam allowance toward the dark. So I want the darker of these two pieces on the top. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to smooth it with my hands so that I can really feel that the seam allowance is pointing toward the darker of these two fabrics. This little part on an iron is extremely important. It's this ridge that goes right along here. And on these little irons that we carry here at Piper's, I just love these because they're made specifically for quilters. And this little area right here is really sharp. So I'm going to push down just slightly and I'm going to move forward and then I'm going to hold it. Now this is very different from what we've all been used to doing before, which is ironing. This isn't ironing, this is pressing. And the difference is that we are using a minimum of motion. We want to really flatten this out and smooth it out, but we want to do it without stretching. Because when we stretch, then it makes it really hard to put this together. So now I've got this nice and pressed and flat, and I'm ready to move on to my next step, which will be cutting these into segments and then putting them together so that I can make my 16 patch.